Good morning, everybody. So after shooting some elevations yesterday for the septic and setting the tank, according to the perk test that we got, we need to actually raise some stuff up a little more and get some more height for the farthest plumbing runs. So today on the agenda, we're going to set the tank and we're going to have some more fill hauled in because we don't want to touch the pond anymore. The pond's already where we want it. So we're going to have some clean fill brought in, some like class 2 sand, and we're going to build this up like another 8 inches and pack in some lifts, get the tank set and get everything situated so everything's good for elevations. So this morning we're going to have a little bit of a busy day, but I think we'll be able to get it done without a problem. Well, we're just starting the hole for our tank right now. We got to go down about 59 inches with the hole. Well, when I was in the middle of digging that, the GoPro died, but I got the hole somewhat dug. I'm not going to go any deeper right now just because we do have some water coming in down below this point, and I don't want to get it any closer until it's closer to the time that they're coming with the tank. So that's where we're at for now. We're just going to wait a little bit, and hopefully our sand will be here soon.
Well, we got the septic and the drain field in. We're just gonna wait for inspection. We need a little bit more stone. We got sand right up here on the building site. But I'm gonna jump on the dozer right now and grade out around that septic tank and kind of around the drain field a little bit, and get things graded out before we go home tonight. I didn't really get that much footage of doing the drain field because I was fighting with the GoPro battery dying and I didn't really have time to deal with it. So we didn't really have much footage of that, but we're gonna go over there now and do some grade work.